Good morning, you guys. I'm back. I just finished preparing breakfast. I made some eggs, some bacon, and grits, and I had my coffee on deck. But I just come in and say good morning. Do you know, guys, I had to turn my heat on this morning? And today is June 12th. When I got up, I was fine. Then when I got to stirring, making my bed and the showers and brushing my teeth and stuff, and then it's like I feel some cold air. So my son, he went to sleep. He left his window. So I had to wait, and I knocked on his door. I said, "Can you please shut that window?" I mean, I was freezing. I had goosebumps. So I had to cut the heat on. It's cloudy. It's been raining all morning. Then it'll stop and it'll rain. So here I am. So I hope you have a better little morning than I do. So let me enjoy this breakfast, you guys, and I will be back later with another video. And bye-bye for now. Y'all want to see what I cook? See that? See them grits? And my coffee. Bye, y'all.